Union Glashütte has done it again. Known for delivering Saxon watchmaking quality at accessible prices, this German brand brings classic motorsport spirit to your wrist. And today, we're looking at their latest release, the new, more compact Belisar Chronograph 40mm. Since its debut in 2004, the Belisar Chronograph has been a favorite among fans of vintage cars and rallying events. Traditionally sized at a hefty 44mm, it had real presence. But now, Union Glashütte has listened to enthusiasts and introduced a case that's just 40mm across, far more versatile on smaller wrists, yet still unmistakably Belisar. The stainless steel case keeps all the signature details: retro pump pushers, a large fluted screw-down crown for 100-meter water resistance, and lateral screwed flanks for extra robustness. Polished flanks contrast with satin brushed lugs and a slim, polished bezel, giving this chronograph a sporty but refined look. The version you're seeing here features a striking sunray ice blue dial with 3 snailed black subdials and a sloping black tachymeter scale. The 30-minute and 12-hour totalizers at 3 and 6 o'clock have black rings, blue centers, and crisp white hands, while the running seconds at 9 o'clock is solid black with a nickel-colored hand. Super Luminova sits neatly in the hour and minute hands, and a domed sapphire crystal enhances the retro vibe. Beats Union's automatic caliber UNG.27.SI. Based on the Valjoux 7750, but decorated and assembled in Glashütte, it packs a 65-hour power reserve and a silicon-balanced spring for improved resistance to magnetism and temperature changes. The new Belisar Chronograph 40mm on black calfskin strap retails for €2,950, while the black and white dial versions on steel bracelets are €3,100. A smaller size, same motorsport sole, and still one of the best value chronographs from Saxony. What do you think of Union Glashütte's downsized chronograph? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth watch reviews.